Are you or a loved one considering downsizing but feeling overwhelmed by where to start? You're not alone. Choosing the right living situation is a big decision, and getting it right can make all the difference. Today, I'm walking you through step 1 of the Downsizing Made Easy process, where to start, what to consider, and how to make the process as smooth as possible. Stick around until the end, and I'll share my free guide to help you navigate the entire downsizing journey. Now, there's probably a reason why you're watching this video. Maybe you're thinking about downsizing into a smaller home or a senior living community and you really just don't know where to begin. And I get it, this is a big decision and feeling overwhelmed is completely normal. Step number 1 ultimately is creating a plan. For all the people that I've worked with, I've seen firsthand that those who take a proactive approach instead of a reactive approach to their move have more control over the process, experience less stress, and ultimately feel more empowered about all of the decisions that are being made. When you take the time to plan ahead, you're not just moving, you're making intentional choices that lead to a smoother transition and an overall better outcome. Downsizing isn't just about moving into a smaller home or a senior living community. It's about choosing a lifestyle that fits your needs, preferences, and future goals. For many, the thought of sorting through years of belongings, selling a home, and finding the right place to move can feel overwhelming, kind of like we said before. But that's why planning is so important. The key to a stress-free transition is starting early, having a clear plan, and understanding what your options exactly are. Before you even start packing a single box, it's crucial to ask yourself these questions. Where do I want to live? Meaning the physical location. In Iowa, there are plenty of options in central Des Moines, but once you start getting outside of central Des Moines, your options become a lot less, and there's just less options to choose from as far as senior living communities. So figuring out where you want to live is the first place to start, in my opinion. Another question is, what do I need in my next home? Meaning, consider the size, the layout, amenities, and accessibility features. Third question, what type of community or housing fits my lifestyle best? Independent living, 55 plus community? Do you have to go to assisted living, maybe a CCRC community? Or are you looking to just stay close to family? Next question, what's my budget? Understanding your financial options, including the cost of senior living communities and homeownership, will help you make the best decision that you can. So once you've reflected and kind of thought about your needs, it's time to get organized. Here is a simple way to start. One of the number 1 reasons why people delay moving out of their home is because they don't know what to do with all their stuff. And they get overwhelmed thinking about it. It becomes a lot easier to make a move after you pick where you are going to move exactly. Meaning, after you pick where you know you're going to move, you know exactly how much space you have. Once you know how much space you have, you can know exactly what you need to bring and what you don't need to bring. So, with that, I highly recommend using what is called a senior move manager to help with this process. They will be able to help you walk through the entire steps on how to get rid of things in your home and essentially just help with the overall move. If you're ready to take the next step, I have 2 resources that can help. The first one, you can download my free guide, which is the 5 steps to a successful move. It's packed with checklists and tips to make downsizing easier. Or if you would just like to schedule a personal call, I'm a real estate professional and I specialize in helping seniors transition out of their home into a smaller home or into a senior living community. So feel free to just book a time on my calendar below, and I'd love to help you find out what the best steps would be for you in your situation, because everybody's situation is different. Both of those links can be found below. Downsizing does not have to be overwhelming. With the right plan and the right help, it can be an exciting new chapter. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips on senior living and real estate, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.